Hello folks, in this video I will show you how to use subtitles with an effect in Microsoft Clipchamp. So first of all, open Microsoft Clipchamp on your PC. Now upload the desired file in which you want to add the subtitles. Now select the file and go over here on top right corner and click on captions. Now after that click on try now. Select the language you want. For example, I'm selecting English, United States. Now click on transcribe media. As you can see, it is generating the captions. Okay, it is done. Now, in order to customize it, click on the captions right over here and select the font you desire. I'm selecting Oswald. Now here select the type of font. For example, I'm selecting bold. Select size here. Select the color here. Now click on fade and you can select here fade in and fade out as you desire. Select this one. After that, go on effects and select the desired effect. For example, I'm selecting flash and you can see my subtitles are working perfectly fine. So that's it for the video. If you find this helpful, consider a like and subscribing the channel. Thank you very much.